Stage 5, I must say I am super proud of you. You're doing an amazing job. If you made it to the stage, you're doing an amazing job. I've been seeing your quizzes, I've been responding to your questions. Wonderful, wonderful. Keep it up. We'll soon be done. But before we move to the stage 5 today, which is multiplying by 2. Twice my size with times 2. I want you to see how far you have really gone in this challenge. You have gone so far and you're doing an amazing job. You know, now you have gotten rid of the 0 times table. That's out of our way now. It's out of our way. This old 0, the 1 times table, wonderful. That's like you're done with 24 already. You're done with the 10 times table. Wow. You're done with the 11 times table, and because you already know the logic for doing this, all of the places where we have to multiply by 1, it's gone already. All the multiplications by 1 is gone already. All the multiplication by 10 is also gone. Wow! All the multiplication by 11 is also gone. You see that you're doing very well. You've gone so far, and then we're going to take a stage forward today. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. So let's go straight to multiplication by 2. When multiplying a number by 2, the number just becomes twice its size. Twice my size with times 2. You see this watermelon here? If we had this half originally, when we multiply it by 2, we just have 2 of it. That's what it means. And that is why anytime you're multiplying a number by 2, just add the number to itself. It's that simple. Add a number to itself while multiplying by 2. Simple as ABC. So let's see some examples. 2 times 2. You know what this means? It means count 2 in 2 places. This is a 2, another 2. I'm adding 2 to itself. That's what it means. So when you count these numbers together, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times 1 means count 1 in 2 places. So we are counting 1 in 2 places. 1 and 1. What does that give us? 2. Same way, 2 times 8 means count either 2 in 8 places. You know, I've told you multiplication goes both ways. So anytime you hear 2 in your multiplication fact, just add that number that you're multiplying by 2 to itself. So in this case, we'll be adding 8 to the itself, and I'll teach you a trick to make you very fast. So instead of having to count, you know, you have to do the mental sum in your head yourself. You have to be very fast at it. By the time you practice over and over again, you'll be able to even add 1,538,000 plus another 1,538,000 with your head yourself. That's possible. Yeah? It's very possible. Don't worry, I'm just exaggerating, right? But when you're trying to add numbers, the more you practice it, the faster your brain becomes in giving you the answer almost immediately. So now we want to have 8 in 2 places. Instead of having to count 8 and start from 1, 2, 3, 4, just keep that 8 in your mind somewhere. Or even if you are counting on your paper, then count the other 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've saved time of having to count this. Then we start from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You see, I may have to erase this so that I can write my answer. So I have 16. 8 in 2 places gives me 16. So, which means 2 times 8 is 16. Another trick that you can do with that, instead of also having to count, right? You are having 8 in 2 places. The first 8. Now, always try to move your addition towards your nearest 10, right? So out of the second 8, right? What makes this 10? What makes this 8 10? You have to take 2, right? From this 8 to make it 10, and that makes it 10. right? Then this remain 6. By the time you put 1 10 and 6 unit together, 10 and 6, you see, it's very easy to say this is 16, right? So that's a very fast way to do mental addition with your head without having to use your calculator. So I will let you practice some. This time around, we are going to be slow. In fact, from this stage, we're going to be a little bit slower because I want you to have a very clear understanding and a very solid grasp of what you are learning. So this time around, I'm going to be slow with your questions. So practice this. What will be the answer to this? Wonderful. If you got 8 and 12 in those questions, you are very right. Now practice your quizzes and also your practice questions. I am mixing your practice questions up intentionally because I want you to be a master. I don't want you to have to cram. So anyhow you are being asked, you'll be able to answer the question. Tomorrow is going to be super fun, believe me. We're going to be multiplying by 3 and we're going to be singing another song. Right? Don't worry, don't mind my voice. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.